In this video, I'll show you two easy and free methods to turn low-resolution images into high-resolution images. The first method is completely offline using Upscale, and the second method is an online tool you can use from any device. Let's get started. Method 1. Upscale images offline using Upscale. If you want to upscale images for free and completely offline, Upscale is the perfect choice. It's available on all major desktop platforms and even works smoothly on low-end PCs. Open your browser and go to upscale.org. Scroll down and download Upscale for your operating system. If you're on Windows, click the exe installer, download it, and install it by following the on-screen steps. Once installed, launch the app. On the left, you'll see the Settings and Upscale menu. Under the Upscale section, choose your input image and select the AI model you want to use. On the right side, you'll see a preview of your original image and the upscaled output once it's processed. I have a small, low-resolution image here. I'll open it in Upscale, pick a model, choose an output folder, and click Upscale. The processing time depends on how powerful your PC is, so just wait until it completes. When it's done, you can compare the original and the upscaled version inside the app. Upscale usually saves the output as a PNG file by default, but you can change this in the settings. You can also load additional models from their GitHub page if you want even sharper results. You can also batch upscale and enhance images completely free. Method 2. Upscale images online using Avade or Image Upscaler. Now let's look at an online method you can use on any device without installing anything. Open any browser and search for Avade Image Enhancer or Upscaler. Then open the official website. Once you're on the site, click Choose a Photo and upload your low-resolution image. It takes a bit of time to process depending on the size of your image and the upscale level you choose. You can choose how much you want to upscale, up to 8x magnification for larger, sharper results. Once the high-resolution version is ready, click the Save button to download it. Open the original and the upscaled versions side by side to see the difference. Even blurry, low-quality images can become sharp and clear using this online tool. Alternatively, you can use Image Upscaler. Just go to their website and upload your low-quality image. Wait for the process to complete. You can choose how much you want to upscale, up to 8x magnification for larger, sharper results. Once finished, you can compare the quality by using this before-after slider. Once you're happy with the result, just download your enhanced image. And that's it. Two simple ways to turn low-resolution images into high-resolution images, both offline and online. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.